City is the sole villa township in NCR and the closest villa-only community to Delhi. The stimulating experience begins right from the moment you enter International City. The architecture, the broad walkways and the landscaping will leave you with absolute tranquility. With just 6 villas per acre, the township offers presidential villas, duplex villas and super luxury row houses. Spread across 500 square yards, the presidential villas are a perfect blend of cosmopolitan sophistication and flawless execution. Experience the double height of luxury with airy and naturally lit homes. Well-planned kitchen with ample ventilation and a generous-sized utility area. The presidential villas at International City come with expansive basement to serve as your own private family entertainment zone. International City presidential villas have 5 spacious bedrooms, 2 master suites with 5 fixture master baths. International City is adorned with large landscaped open spaces within the confines of a secured community living. Immaculately planned roads with broad tree-lined walkways and green spaces on either side provide ideal access to pedestrians, elderly people and the physically challenged. Shobha is known for their environment-friendly designs and construction practices. International City will be a township that is green in the true sense.